Hey, Andrea.
Hi.
What are you making? Cosa fai?
Sto preparando il battuto, cipolla, aglio, carote e ora anche il sedano per fare il soffritto. E lo taglio a mano perché così rimane più integro il sapore, che il frullino mi scalda un po'.
Because if you cut it by hand,
Rimane più integro il sapore.
the taste,
È vero.
it tastes better. Okay.
Dimmi.
I believe you. Do you believe him? Tomato sauce, and this is just organic tomatoes in here, nothing else.
Noi facciamo la guancia, mettiamo solo cipolla
and okay, so just onions and garlic in where we're going to
Noi facciamo
put
la
in
guancia, mettiamo solo
the guancia.
cipolla
Okay, so just onions and garlic
e in quest'altro mettiamo
beef
tutto il
cheeks,
resto.
which looks just like, it just looks so good and it's so soft. It's going to come out so tender. I can't wait. Okay, and this is where you're putting everything for the garlic, onion, celery, and carrots. Smells good so far.
Mettiamo la carne a rosolare.
To braise the meat very quickly, you're putting in the ground beef and ground pork into the ragu. You want me to stir that?
Sale.
Salt in the ragu.
Pepe.
Io userei questo si mette il pomodoro.
Devo mettere ora il vino o dopo? Io ci metterò fino ora e fino dopo.
Ok. Ah, vino dici?
Sì.
Ok, yeah.
Metti,
Hai ragione. Un pochino.
metti. Cincin, amore mio. Merry Christmas. Cincin, amore mio. Merry Christmas.
So now you're going to assemble your lasagna, putting a little bit of sauce in the bottom so that the pasta noodles don't stick, just a little bit, yeah. And then the lasagna. And you can buy the lasagna. We use Barilla because they're light. And you don't have to cook them first. It's just so easy, unless you're going to make your own lasagna by hand, which we're not doing today. And then he's going to take his bechamel. Again, we bought the bechamel. Total transparency here. We did not make the bechamel ourselves by hand, but many people do. And then he's going to take his ragu.
Mozzarella.
Fresh mozzarella. Some
Parmigiano.
freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Good. And then another layer of the lasagna. Bechamel. This looks great, Andrea. Are you excited?
Buonissima questa.
Are you excited?
Excited.
He's so precise. I just slam it in there.
Deve essere preciso, eh?
Yeah, we got that.
Non scherziamo.
He's so precise. I just slam it in there.
Deve essere preciso, eh?
Yeah, I wish you got that.
Non scherziamo.
There you go.
Abbondiamo.
Where did you learn this recipe, Andrea? Da dove hai imparato queste ricette, Andrea?
La mia mamma. La mia mamma. Guardavo lei
I was
quando lo
watching her
faceva
when she used to make it.
e poi ho imparato così.
And then that's how I learned how to make it. And let me get this hoodie because and then the rest of the ragu we can save and we'll freeze it. We'll put it in the freezer and then we'll have ragu for another time. Right, Andrea?
Facciamo con la pasta, con gli spaghetti.
And then we'll put it in the oven for quanti minuti, Andrea? How many minutes?
40 minuti.
40 minutes. At what temperature?
180.
At 180 degrees Celsius. So about 350, 370 Fahrenheit. And we'll let you know how it is when it comes out on the other side. apriamola. Let's cover it with tin foil.
Con la carta stagnola.
It's already hot. Oh, it is.
È già cotta.
It's already cooked. Just kidding. Ooh. Ooh, Andrea, that looks so good. Oh my God.
Facciamola raffreddare 5 minuti.
Okay, we'll let it cool for a few minutes. And then yum, we're eating. That looks wonderful.
Buon appetito.
Buon appetito, baby.
Buon appetito.
Mangia.
Brucia, Brucia,
How is it?
Mm.
How is it?
Mm.
Yay.
Buonissima.
Yay.
Buonissima.
How is the guancia?
Morbidissima.
It's so soft. And we boiled some potatoes to go with the guancia. And it's so soft. It melts in your mouth. Good job, Andrea. Bravi.
Thank you.
See you next time.
Next time. Bye bye.
Have a good day.
Bye bye.